Hey guys, it's Diva Ash here. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are all doing well. So guys, in today's video, I am using the brand new palette by Jeffree Star, the Jawbreaker. Oh my gosh guys, the colors look amazing. It's bright, it's bold, it's beautiful, and I cannot wait to get to be doing some crazy colorful looks with these. So guys, this is the long awaited Jawbreaker. It is gorgeous. I am loving it. Let me just open it up for you guys. Look at these colors. They are just absolutely stunning. If you guys want me to do a more in-depth review about the palette, the pros, the cons, the good, the bad, the ugly, just let me know and we'll get that done for you. But these are the shades. So guys, as you can already tell, I've already done my eyebrows using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony, and I've also actually today done my base for my eye using the P. Louise Rumor Base number 3. I wanted to try this palette with a tacky base, and I think one of my other videos I'll do a dry base where I usually just put on the MAC paint pot and then I set it. So this eye hasn't been set, so I'm hoping it doesn't crease, but I want to see the color payoff on a tacky wet background. So the look I want to create today, I'm going for a very angled kind of look on the edge, so I will be using an eyeshadow guard. If you don't have an eyeshadow guard, you can obviously just use a piece of sellotape, or you can actually just put on some translucent powder heavily on the edge and then take your eyeshadow all the way over there, and then you can just dust it off afterwards. So guys, also I have the new mirror. Ooh! I forgot to mention that earlier. I bought the mirror as well because I just had to. Going into the palette, I am taking the shade Delicious. Delicious is a very deep dark blue, and I'm using the 228 Luxe Crease Brush by Zoeva. And I'm going to stamp that in just into my crease and just above slightly. I'm not too worried about it going onto my lid because I will be cutting that afterwards. Taking that on the outer corner as well. And you should have something that ends up looking like this. So now that we've got on our Delicious shade, I'm now going to go in with a brighter kind of lighter blue. So I'm going to take the color Soaked and I'm going to blend these two in together. And to blend these two colors together, what I'm basically doing is I'm putting 50% of the brush onto the shade that we did before, and I'm taking 50% of that color out, and I am doing small circular motions just to blend the two together. And everything looks a bit messy at first, but once it's all blended in together, it starts to look really, really nice. Now we're gonna go into our third and final color to blend upwards, and we are going to take, I think the shade I wanna go with is a Gumdrop, which is like a cute purpley shade. It's gorgeous, it actually looks amazing. I just hope it looks good, as good as it does. And we are gonna do again the same process. We are gonna blend 50-50. Ooh, this is a stunning color. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera as well, but it looks amazing. So when you're blending colors like this together, sometimes you can lose like a bit of a shade in there. So in that case, what you'd want to do is go back into the same color and just deepen and darken that color for yourself. So now we basically have all three colors blended. So now I'm taking the P. Louise base in Rumor shade 1, and I'm going to cut my crease with this brighter, lighter kind of color because I do want to put a white at the beginning just to intensify everything. So a good trick if you want to cut your crease is to put your concealer on and then look upwards, and that will tell you where you need to cut your crease. So now that we've cut our crease, we're not actually going to set this base either. Now I'm going to go back in with our dark shade Delicious, and I'm just going to stamp that on the edge to make sure it looks smooth and blended in. So you do stamping motions, and then you can swipe it. Now I'm going to get the Luxe Classic shader from Zoeva in the shade 232, and I'm going to use the shade Virgin and just put that in this area all over here. And we are just going to stamp that color on. And now in between these two shades, I do want to use a bit more of the shade Gumdrop, that purpley one, just to tie it all in together. So to add that Gumdrop shade, I am using the Zoeva 237 Detailed Shader. It's really tiny. And I'm just going to put that right here. And then I'm just going to blend. So now that the top half of the eye is done, we are going to go in with the bottom half.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Ash's channel if you have not already. And make sure to leave nice comments down below. Yeah, and don't say anything mean to Ash, otherwise I'll come to your house and beat you up. So, bye!